Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to scan WhatsApp QR code. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. Launch the app. After you're in the app, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, in order to scan the QR code, here you can see the camera icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now you must have a QR code in order to scan it. It can be the QR code of any groups, any other contacts, or the device login on your desktop. I'll show you the example of how to scan the QR code of device login to your desktop. So on my desktop, I've recently installed the WhatsApp and I want to log in with the same account as my phone. So after I launched the WhatsApp app on my desktop, it has provided me the QR code. Now I will scan the QR code from my phone. As you can see, it has detected the login code. So I'll tap on continue. Now choose link a device option. Tap on OK again. And it will scan the QR code again. And now I'm successfully logged into my account on desktop. So that's how you can scan the QR code on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.